I am always doing that which I cannot do in order that I may learn how to do it. Pablo Picasso. So today we are doing my not so makeupy voiceover. And what that is as you can see, I'm doing my makeup, but the voiceover is not gonna really have to do with what's going on in the actual video. I was really inspired by, some people that were doing like collab videos, and they would talk about the people that they were collabing with while they were doing their makeup, and it just really inspired me to do that because I found it so interesting how the person wasn't really talking about what they were doing, but it was just interesting to hear it while watching something. I don't know, I just found it entertaining, so I wanted to try it. I do want to do this once a month as a little like series or something, just so we could catch up, talk about life, stuff like that. Of course, I do have like some notes taken, but I'm not always gonna stick to the notes that I take. As you saw from the beginning, I gave you guys a quote by Pablo Picasso. So every time that we do these videos, I am gonna start out with a quote for you guys, just because that's like a really big part of my life. I really love quotes, and they just like inspire me. So that's what we will start off with. And then I kind of want to talk to you guys about a song recommendation. The song of the day for me is one by Panic at the Disco, and it's called High Hopes. So if you haven't heard the song, it's so good. If you've ever like having a bad day or you're just feeling down, I suggest you listen to that song because it is so good, and it's like on my repeat like playlist all the time. I definitely recommend you check it out if you haven't already. Listen to it. I also have a movie recommendation. At the time that I made this list, I put Letters to Juliet, which is one of my favorite movies. I could watch the movie so many times. I've watched it millions of times already. It's just such a cute movie. If you're into like those lovey-dovey movies, it's so cute. So I am gonna put into these videos also a little section for Makeupy update. So for this week, my Makeupy update is that I've really been enjoying using my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. It's just such a good one. I believe I use it in this video. As you saw, I am using the Blood Sugar palette, and that's just because it's one that I haven't used in such a long time, and I'm so inspired by the series that Shane Dawson is doing with Jeffree Star. Let me know if you're watching it. I believe it's called The Beautiful World of Jeffree Star. It's so good. I have been obsessed, and at the time that I'm filming this video, they released part 4, and it's just so attention grabbing. Let me know if you're watching it, if you're into it. Yeah, it's just really different from like anything that is on YouTube right now. I'm just really into it. I believe they announced that it's gonna release on November 1st, which is gonna be crazy. I just know because they're gonna release it in Morphe stores as well. Yeah, no. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get one. I'm so excited to see how the final collection looks. Like, I'm just excited for it. I know it's gonna sell out super fast. I'm sorry. I sound so nasally. I don't know why. Like, I was okay the whole day. Of course, towards the end of my day is when I get nasally, and now my nose is runny. So excuse that. Also, I want to mention I'm not always gonna be the only one. Like, whenever I do these once a month, I'm not always gonna be the only one talking. Sometimes I might be with my boyfriend, and he might be talking as well, or with my sister. Like, try to make them fun and stuff. Maybe one day when we're at Universal, or like add some videos of that. So yeah, let me know if you like this, if I should keep doing them. So a life update. So yesterday we actually went to watch Maleficent, and it was okay. If you haven't watched it, I would give it a 4 out of 5. Like, it wasn't as great as I wanted it to be, but it was pretty good. We also went to see Gemini Man the other day. That one I don't recommend, and it sucks to say that because I really enjoy Will Smith's acting. Just the movie itself, I don't know, there was something about it. Let me know if you watched that one. Which was the other movie that we watched? Let me see. It was, oh, The Joker. That one was such a good movie if you're into like I don't know, it's mostly about his background, how he became the Joker, all the stuff that happened and that led him to become that. And it's definitely like not a funny like movie, but it really gets you thinking about how you treat people, and it definitely could have been avoided. Yeah, it's just really interesting. I definitely recommend you watch the one. Maybe not with children because there is killings in it. But you know, if you like want to go and you've been thinking about it, I definitely recommend you check that one out. Yeah, so other than that, I'm actually watching Halloween Town. And if you haven't watched that movie and you've been like having the, you know, like the wanting to watch it because I know it's like almost Halloween in 2 weeks, they do have a channel on YouTube actually. It's called, I think it's Halloween Movies. Let me check. I'm using it right now. It's called Disney Channel Live Halloween Town Full Movie All Week Long. And what it is just they play Halloween Town over and over and over and over. So you could keep watching as many times as you want. And, you know, and it's like the same movie. And I believe after this week, they're probably going to give Halloween Town 2 and then Halloween Town 3. I love all the movies and I'm super excited. I'm watching it for a second time, and yeah, it's just amazing. So if you want to give that a watch, just go ahead and look that up on YouTube, and it just keeps playing. There's no ads or anything, so it's really great. So since we are on the topic of Halloween, let's talk about that. What are you guys gonna dress up as? It falls on a Thursday, so it's during the week. I'm thinking usually I dress up as a witch, and that's like the Halloween costume. I have one, but it's just like I don't want to dress up using that. So I'm thinking that I kind of want to do this look that I saw, I believe is Jalebi or something. I'm gonna put her the picture of her YouTube channel and her Instagram because she did this look. It's like a Spider-Man, like half your face. You use makeup and stuff to create like a mask, and it just looks so cute and looks so easy just to throw on and just like wear like a black dress or a black shirt with black pants and stuff. It just looks so adorable. So I'm thinking that I kind of want to try that. I don't know if I should practice it before just so I'm not struggling in the morning, you know, that day of Halloween. So I could wear it to work. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are going to dress up as. Are you guys going to go trick or treating? Let me know. It's so fun during Halloween too, like when you go on Instagram and everybody's like doing makeup looks, like the scary ones. I don't really like the scary ones, like the ones with blood and there's like a person with like a fake like something bleeding or whatever. I don't like that. I don't know why. I really like the cutesy kind of Halloween looks. Those are my favorite. And I'm so excited to start seeing like more and more Halloween looks. This was so much fun, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We made it to the end. Everything that I used, of course, in the video, if you were interested in anything, is going to be down below. All the names, all the prices, everything is down there, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. I'll also have my Insta handle displayed. I post a lot of finds. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!